everyone, welcome back to another video. So I'm finally back in Manila and we are here at Binondo area, Ongpin, for the Chinese New Year. Happy Chinese New Year! And I'm here with Mark and my sister. So she needs to take photos for her something project, and then Mark din needs to take videos naman. I'm just gonna vlog. And I'm really hungry, so we're gonna find a good place to eat first before doing all those, you know. It's usually traffic pag Chinese New Year, kaya maglalakad na lang kami. Mas okay naman maglakad kasi mo traffic mo. Diba? Sabi ni Mark ba, at-atihan daw mga nag-iingay. Pero what's more legit is the Tagot dances talaga. As you can see, ay parang dumaan na sila dito kasi medyo makalat. This is Chinatown! Wala kami makainan, lahat puno and yung may waying haba ng pila. Damn it. So we're gonna find something else. If you watch my vlog with Judy, ano yun eh, I don't think out.
Take home yun eh.
Itabi may car. Yeah, if you watch our vlog with Judy last year yata yun, Chinese New Year din, ganoon na rin yung setting niya, sobrang ano din. We're hoping na yung Masuki ay wala masyadong tao. Nasaan tayo?
One time.
Finally, meron pa rin decent place. I wanted to eat doon sa Manyosa, pero may gosh, pinapaupo nila kami right across the kitchen area. Anyway, we're here and we're gonna look. Nakasabit ang kanilang mga Peking duck. See? And all types of like meat. And doon may mga aquarium na yeah, may tikoy pa sila.
Ikaw na na-interview.
Sabi mo muna sa akin yung ano
lang kung bakit ganun yung trend, kung paano start yung ganun tradition sa kaklase naman kami.
So I'm happy. And then I was asking my sister to buy me makimi. Makimi is maki with mami. So you see here the noodles, which is the mi. And then we have maki. Ang maki kasi is like, how do I explain? Kasi may pork siya and then yung sauce niya very thick kasi sobrang lapot niya, sobrang sarap. Mark hasn't tried it yet, so we're gonna try it. It's from Manyosa, sa kabila.
Hello, Sir Win.
Sabi ng One Chai. One thing I really like about Chinese restaurants is fast service. As in, dim sum go. Serve. Like, hindi ka pagkakita na sobrang tagal. Yun yung mga 2 minutes lang. Anyway, I ordered Guapao. And this is Hakao. It has shrimp in it. So this is what the makimi looks like. Ayun ba, sobrang thick na noodles niya. Oh, kasi sobrang overload with kauka. Pero super sarap yun. We have the makimi. Yeah. Mark's first impression on the makimi. Ayaw mo?
Hindi ko ayaw. Okay lang. Medyo matabang eh.
Hindi kaya. Another favorite of mine, tea. Service tea.
Hindi. Ako kasi mamaya pa ako uuwi kasi may mga bibilin pa ako.
Oh my god, yum. I have the mami sa loob ng maki. This is called Kwapao. This is to have scholarship. We have radish cake here. Ang laki yung radish cake. Wow. Kwapao, yummy.
Basta ngayon, yung mga dragon papunta ng Binondo Plaza. Sa main circuit.
Mga dragon. That was Bam Aquino, anak ng President of the Philippines. Anak ko ba? Ay, hindi mo anak? Mali. Hindi pala anak ni Aquino yun. Mali, ano yun?
Kapatid?
Kapatid ba? Basta Aquino siya.
Wala.
Kapatid? Boy. Ayan, may
Sige.
Okay. We're finally home, so I hope you guys enjoyed watching Chinese New Year at Binondo with us. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!